Now, I was always taught that in order to invest, you have to be old or over the age of 18. Well, that's not the case. Now, in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to invest into the stock market as a teenager. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and join the club. We talk about everything money, so subscribe, like, do what you guys do. And we just released awesome I Love Stock merch. So make sure you guys check that out. And you guys can use code DIVIDENDS to get 20% off. So check that out. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. Let's jump into it. Now, like I said, I was always taught in high school, in order to invest, you have to be old or over the age of 18. Well, that's not the case. When you guys sign up with a broker, there's several different account types that you guys can have. You can have a standard brokerage account. You can have a IRA account, which is a retirement account. Or you can have a custodial account. Now, this type of account is designed for minors, but let me explain how it works. Now, this type of account is actually owned by the minor, but it's managed by the custodial or parent or guardian. Now, when the minor turns the age of 18, there is a couple of things that they can do. The first thing they can do is withdraw the money and get pretty much a check. The second thing that they can do, and the thing that I would recommend, is to transfer your stocks so you guys can keep your portfolio and keep your investment flowing. But it's really cool that this type of account is 100% designed for people that are just getting started, for minors that want to get ahead of the game. And the beautiful thing about investing is it's like working out. If you work out one time, that's awesome, but you're not going to get into shape. If you work out 2 times, that's great, but you're not going to get into shape. You have to work out consistently in order to get into shape. Investing is the exact same thing. So if you invest one time, that's awesome, but you're not an investor. You have to invest consistently in order to make a lot of money. So the younger you are, the better advantage you have. And if you're only 10 years old, 12 years old, 15 years old, you're already ahead of the ball game, so you're one step ahead of others. And I know you might be saying right now, Carter, what is the best broker for this type of account? Well, now the broker that I would highly recommend is a broker by the name of M1 Finance. Now this broker is one that I've been using for years and I highly recommend. One, there's no fees, any commission, or really it's a very beginner platform. Number 2, if you don't know what to invest in, they have special portfolios that may suit your needs, and they have special portfolios that you guys can see other investors or even other hedge funds or billionaires investing in. So you could literally invest into the same companies as the billionaire Warren Buffett, all on this broker. And like I said, there's no fees or any commission, so it's a great way to invest and start investing. Now, the only issue with this broker is not designed for trading, but as a minor, I would not recommend trading at all. It's way too risky and they don't have the education or time to really execute trading. So my recommendation is to just start investing for the long run. Start investing, invest in the companies that you use. Maybe if the minor loves to watch Disney, invest into a Disney stock. If they love their tablet, maybe invest into Apple. If they love YouTube, invest into Google. Teach your kids that the things you use, you can invest and make money off them. So guys, this is how a minor under the age of 18 can invest into the stock market. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. I'll put links to M1 Finance, so if you guys want to sign up, I'll put a link to it down below so you guys can. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Take care.